Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, Isaac here, bro. I just want to apologize that I know I've been making too much shorts, but I haven't been making any videos, so I'm deeply apologize. I'm just busy with a lot of stuff, like, you know what I'm saying, man? Like, just a lot of stuff, man. Like, just dealing with a bunch of monsters, like, wait,
This
what
is
the
a
frick?
test. This is a test.
A test?
This is a test.
For what?
The following is a test of a new emergency alert system.
Okay. What the frick? Something bad will happen soon? Why is there a yellow smiley face? Doors? Why is there doors on there? Like, why is he making me choose an option? Like, this makes no sense, man. Like, what is this? This is a hack. This has to be like, what the frick? I just choose doors. Like, is this thing listening to me? What the frick? Why is this playing like a Pac-Man? Wait, look. Bruh. Like, what the frick? Wait, hold up. Is that Rush? What the frick is going on, man? Okay, now my power just went out. And there will be a previously video. Okay, so see you guys later. I guess I'm